On the 30th of April, we've got our next dedication service happening for babies and children. So if you have a baby or a child and you'd like to get them dedicated, then why not speak to one of our team? It's an awesome opportunity to bring them up in the Lord and give that public declaration that they belong to the Lord. So why not think about doing that if you have a baby or a child?
Never been the same. The world is looking different. We all can feel the change.
We've lost him. Guys, but don't worry, we've got a first aid training course happening here on the 18th of March. It's for one day and it's completely free of charge. So if you're interested, make sure you sign up on Church Suite or speak to a member of our team and hopefully we can save some lives.
On Easter weekend, we're going to have a Good Friday service, which is happening here at church at 7 p.m, so make sure you join us for that. And we're also going to be doing a walk over at Cannock Chase, so have a look on our website or Church Suite for details about that. But we'll be leaving a meeting there around 10:30 a.m. If you don't have transport, there'll be limited spaces on the minibus, so you've got to let us know if you want to come. But it'll be a great time together over the Easter weekend, so see you there.
Guys, you'll remember last year there was a mission team that went over to Spain, to Asturias, to do some work there with the church that's there. And they're actually going to be doing another mission trip this year at the end of June. So if you're interested in this and would like to go for just a short weekend, then do speak to Dan for more info. It's going to be an awesome time ministering there and connecting in with what the local church is doing there as well and joining in with their mission over there. So if you're interested, speak to Dan and he'll give you some more information. Vamos, amigos!
Get up and clap my hands. We don't wanna give up a chance to dance.
On the 5th Wednesday of each month, we always do a leadership development night, and this month has 5 Wednesdays. So on the 29th of March, mark it in your diaries, it's a Wednesday. You can join us here at Excel Church at 7:30 for our next leadership development night. For anyone leading in church, if you're doing kids ministry, if you're on the team for youth, if you're on the team speaking, hosting, whatever it is in a leadership capacity, we really encourage you to come because it's great growth and development for you and for the team. So we'll see you there.
So this week is Connect Groups on Wednesday, so make sure you connect in with yours and have a great week, guys.